Okay, we have some more Blue Head Pionus here. They eat in about 15 to 20 cc's at this age, which is a little bit over a month here for this guy. Often some eat more than others. You can't always just say they eat a flat certain amount because it can vary. I always rinse their mouth out with a little water. And now this guy here, he's a little bit older than the one I just fed. As you can see, he's got more feathering. When you feed, you don't constrict the chest or the crop area. And there you have it. That's the Blue Head Pionus.